Hello, my name is Chris Brooks. I live in Willows, Merseyside. The problems we've got with our lawn is that it's laid onto clay, and when we've had rain it just doesn't dry out at all. It's like a sponge, so when you walk on it the water just rises up all the time, and last few years we've had a lot of rain. We saw an advert for artificial grass and we thought, what a brilliant idea. You know, we're getting older, my husband doesn't like cutting the grass, and it just seemed the perfect solution. Absolutely delighted. We're thrilled to bits with it. It looks lovely and it's dry and mud free, which is so important to us. My husband's delighted because he'll never have to cut the lawn again, and most of all Millie, our dog, she loves it. She's just running around like a 2-year-old instead of creeping round, it's sinking into the mud. So all in all, a huge success.